Hey, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't say that. Okay. You said it. Hi, I'm Sonna, and this is my client, Joelle. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. On Joelle's hair today, we're going to be bringing her hair up and giving her a little more fullness in the interior of her cut. We want to create some width in her shape and release her natural curl. So, did you teach dance today? What do you guys actually do in it? Now, I know you said you let them choose kind of the dance they want to do.
I have anywhere between 30 to 60 kids in the choir room. High school kids are very passionate, so it's really hilarious and fun.
I can't imagine in high school going in and just dancing with a bunch of people.
I know.
I mean, it wouldn't have been very cool at that time.
Right, I know, and I think I'm up there making such a fool out of myself that they feel a little more comfortable, and so that kind of helps them get rid of their inhibitions, and it's so adorable.
So your back is to them, you're just
dancing.
Yes,
and I'm in front and I'm going crazy, and then if I turn around, I'll just give them a ton of praise and say, you guys are so awesome, or you look beautiful, and they love it. That's really cute. So.
Are you you're second year Spanish, or do you teach beginning Spanish as well?
I teach beginning, I teach third year and fourth year. So I've got I call the freshmen the babies. Some of them use it in their future professions. You know, if they're going into healthcare or something and they want to be bilingual in Spanish and English. So some of them just want to use it for their awesome vacations in the future. So be able to order some margaritas, I don't know.
Ooh, that's better already. Look at that.
It is better already.
Oh, you're done.
Right up.
You're done.
All right, adios.
I wish I would have had a teacher like you in high school.
Yeah.
You know, you make it seem like well, you put so much into it. You pour your heart into your students.
Yeah, I do. We know that we're planting seeds and we don't always know what's going to stick and what they'll remember, but I say this thing about doing their life homework, which is tarea de vida, and I'm always like, go out there. I have a poster on my door. I'm like, just go experience someplace else. I go, I don't care where you go. Go to Japan, go to Australia, see other perspectives and other foods and other things, and then let me know when you do it and I'll put it in the grade book.
Nice. Extra credit.
Extra credit for life. Yeah.
So what was that again? How do you say it?
It says tarea de vida.
Tarea de vida.
That's homework of life or life homework.
Oh, I like
that.
that.
Yeah.
I know we've done quite a few kitchen haircuts in the past.
We have. You know, there are moments of desperation when we're together, and I beg you after, you know, we've had 2 glasses of wine to just give me a little lift.
Just a little zhuzh.
Just a little zhuzh. And unfortunately, you know, you're not always carrying around your angel blade, so we just gotta use my kitchen.
Use the kitchen scissors, whatever we can
little
find.
kitchen scissors that probably are dull.
Hey, you know, you can cut hair with just about anything.
All right.
Except I don't know if I want to chew it off.
I mean, I'd probably take a haircut by you anyway.
A tooth haircut.
Yeah, a tooth razor.
That's gross.
That's disgusting.
So for styling, I'm going to use the styling foam. I like using this for diffusing because it just holds the curls so they don't get flyaway. I'm just going to do a couple of twists around the front. It's great because it just clumps the hair together. Okay, I told you it was going to get crazy.
It's very curly. I love it.
Okay, this is great. This is great for my next question. So you're probably the most spontaneous person that I know and the most fun-loving. What is like the craziest thing you've ever done?
I've jumped off a really, really, really high bridge in Sandpoint a long time ago. Got a big bruise on my leg.
I think you just live in a spontaneous place.
I do. There's always time for a dance party. So
yes, this is true.
Dancing is not relegated to the weekend or nighttime. I always want to dance. I dance in my classroom. I dance at home, in my kitchen. I dance with all of you.
I already used a little bit of the molding pomade, but I really love this. I use it in my hair, and I know you like the texture that I get. It supplies some moisture and kind of ties the ends of the hair together. So this is the working spray, and it's a really light holding spray. So you can spray it into the hair, and it doesn't get real crunchy, but it helps your curls hold, and will keep that volume up in the areas where you like it. Like that.
I like it, yeah. That's working.
I hope you've enjoyed my conversations with Joelle. For more content like this, head on over to the KMS Pro YouTube channel.